Are you guys awake?
Yeah.
I can't sleep.
Neither can I. What's that noise? Well, let's go and investigate.
Did I scare you?
Well, obviously.
Are you here to eat us for dinner?
Of course not.
What do you want then?
Well, I was just taking my evening stroll through the forest when I came upon you and immediately thought you were hunters.
Okay, but who are you again?
Tane, great Tane Mahuta, god of the forest animals.
What's with your hair?
Well, this bird flew into it a couple of weeks ago and started to make its nest out of it. Anyway, do you guys want to hear a bedtime story?
Yes, please.
Once upon a time there lived a moth. He was eaten by a half eagle. The end. Now, wasn't that the most amazing story you've ever heard?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Come on, let's go back to bed, guys. Yeah, see you, Tane.
Well, that was weird.
Yeah, totally. Oh, we should go to sleep now. I'm exhausted. Okay,
Good night then.
Go away, Tane.
What's that noise?
Well, it's definitely not Tane. Should we go check it out?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, and it's really expensive.
Oh, so it was you, Tane.
What was me?
That strange owl noise. Yeah, we were majorly freaked out.
But it was only you.
But it wasn't me. It was that moorpork up there. We were having a conversation about this really bad cafe down by the stream. It's called the Hoo Hoo.
Right.
The moorpork, also known as the Lulu, is one of New Zealand's only living owls. Do you know how it got its name?
No?
It got it from the sound it makes.
Well, it's cool. How come I can't take the kiwi?
Once the possums came over from Aussie, the kiwis went safe in the local bushes. They were then moved to islands in the Hauraki Gulf where they now live peacefully with no predators to hurt them. It's the same with the tuatara. They were becoming endangered and so moved to safer places.
That's sad.
I remember the times when the kiwis were still around. I met a friendly one once, invited me in for a cuppa.
Okay, Tane, we get it. Can you tell us more about the possums?
Of course. Well, possums are native to Australia. They came on ships over to New Zealand and bred. They eat all our native trees and steal birds' eggs. Possums could steal kiwis' eggs easily because they made their nests on the ground. For a long time, kiwis were on the verge of extinction.
Oh no.
Then humans stepped in. They found all the kiwis and took them to islands where there were no predators.
Go us!
Well, we definitely helped.
A boy in my class says he goes hunting and he shoots possums. Is that good?
Indeed, it does help. We're trying to get rid of possums in any way possible. Hunting is one of them. We set traps to help get rid of them too.
Won't that hurt them?
Well, the most common trap we used is very good. It cuts the possum's veins so they die fast.
Well, that's good.
What's that noise?
Not another one! Well, I guess I better go now.
See you, Tane.
Wait, we have a selfie?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Selfie!
Yeah, let's look at our selfie.
Where's Tane?
He's gone.
Wait, what?
Well, obviously. Well, obviously.
Not again.
Well, obviously.
Kaylee!
Stop it!
I can't say my line until
Do
you...
you know how frustrating it is? Well, obviously.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Kaylee! Well, should we go check it out?
Yeah, and it's so expensive.
Oh, well, it
and the coffee
definitely
tastes like
Blooper! Can ya?
Cut. Well done.
Don't waste
Action.
spider. No, we can't go.
Yeah,
It's in my hand.
it went off.
There it is. Bang.
Well, once
So looking at those guys.
Get that voice.
Let's have another go. And action.
That's sad.
For a long time, kiwis were on the verge of extinction.
Oh, damn it.
I think I play line.
A boy in my class says he goes hunt.
Bye, Tane.
Wait,
Let's have a selfie.
I'm such a good friend.